Welcome back to another vlog.
Cook with me, an easy penne chicken vegetable salad. Yum.
Okay, I am starving, so I've salted my water already. I'm going to put in these penne noodles and get that to boiling. I am like, ooh, famished. Okay, now that my noodles are done, I'm going to I rinsed them off. I'm going to pour them in this container here. I don't need to go to the store for nothing. And I mean zero, nothing, not a single thing. Okay, so now I'm going to take and put some salt on my noodles, some onion powder. I love onion powder, for those that watch and know, and some garlic powder. Put that on there. I love garlic powder too with this kind of salad. Then I have my fresh ground black pepper I did, so I'm going to sprinkle that on here. I'm a pepper lover as well. Then I am going to add my canned chicken breast. I'm going to pour that in there. I already drained it. Okay. Now I am going to add my, I'm going to add my onions and tomatoes, and then I cut up celery as well. So I'm going to put that in here. All right, now I'm going to stir this up a bit without dropping it on the floor, hopefully. Yeah, this is something I've just been craving, but not only have I just been craving this particular salad, there's an ingredient I haven't put in here yet that I've also been craving. I might cut up some smoked Gouda and put it in here. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And here is what I have been craving. Some peas. I did put these in the microwave because they were frozen. So I'm gonna mix that in here. Some of you I know are like, oh, you messed it up with the peas. Guess what? If you make this for yourself, you can add this and make it however you want. Add what you want. Add everything I just put in here if you want or not. It's up to you. It's all according to your taste buds. Okay? Now, I'm going to grab the Gouda because I do want some of that. Hold on. Okay, I have this Gouda that I had before. I'm just going to slice this. I love smoked Gouda. It is so delicious. So I'm going to add this in here. Cut it up real good. And then it's made with applewood smoked group. Oh, this is a different one. That one was, hold on a minute, I'm using two different kinds, I think. Smoked Gouda. Okay, this is Gouda. And this is apple smoked, how do you say that? Gruyere or something? Yeah, well, we're just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this in. And after I get these cut up and in here, I am starving, I'm exhausted, and yeah, all right. Got the peas in, I'm gonna stir this up. Oh, yummy. Yum, yum. I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic onion powder. And I'm gonna add a little more garlic powder. I'm gonna also add a little more salt. And I am going to now, I'm going to go ahead I'm going to add my Hellmann's there. Now, I'm going to stir this. Normally, I'd let this sit and cook. Let me get this out of the way here. I mean cook, not cook, but put this in the fridge and let it, well, I'm going to anyway, but I ain't gonna wait for it to marinate all the flavors. I'm going to eat now. So I'm gonna finish stirring this up and get my plate together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Yeah. All right. Okay, all done. This is it. I don't want it to tip and fall. This is my salad. I did add some Triscuit crackers, and I am going to take a bite. Peas, got a tomato on there. Okay. Two thumbs up for that one.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please try making this chicken penne vegetable salad at home. Add what you love. Make it your own. And if you haven't subscribed already, or even if you have, please do so, and thank you. Blessings.